Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Can you go through this magazine? No, maybe later. Would you tell Mr. Taylor that I called? Yes, sure, I will inform him. Do you want to make a call? Yes, I want to make a long distance call. What are you doing? I am preparing food. What happened to the phone? I think there's something wrong with the phone. When are you leaving? I will be leaving within few hours. Would you call back tomorrow? Yes, but at what time? Did you call me? Yes, I tried to call you, but the line was busy. Where is Mr. Samuel? He's not in. May I take a message for him? May I ask you a question? Yes, of course. At what time is your appointment? My appointment is exactly at 10 a.m. Could you do me a favor? Yes, with pleasure. What do you want? Can you give me your umbrella, please? Could you tell me where I can find these books? These books are in the library. Would you help me to clean the refrigerator? Yes, certainly. When do you want me to call you? Call me tomorrow if you have time. Will you make me a cup of tea, please? Oh, sorry, I am busy. Thank you for watching.